Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss mean absolute deviation, MAD. So, this mean absolute deviation is simply the average distance between each data value and the mean in the given data set. So, the average value between the each data value and the mean in the given data set is called mean absolute deviation. Suppose if the mean absolute deviation is low, means the point is close to the mean. That means the data is consistent. If the value is high, means the data is far away from the mean. So data is inconsistent. And this mean absolute deviation is also used to understand how spread out the data in the data set. Now, what is the formula we are calculating? Mean absolute deviation is xi minus mu by n. So, xi means each data point, mu specifies the mean of all the data points. The average distance is called MAD, that is mean absolute deviation. For understanding, we will take some example data items. Suppose 11, 15, 18, take any data items. 11, 15, 18, some 17, 12, 17 like this. Maybe the item is repeated, not a problem. Now calculate what is the average of all the data points. 11 plus 15 plus 18 plus 17 plus 12 plus 17, 3, 6. So 11 plus 15, 18, 17, 12 plus 17 divided by 6. Simply do the calculation. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 66, 71, 79, 85 and 87, 87, 90, 60, 90, 90 by 6, 15. So, the mean for all these data items is mean. Now, what you need to do? You calculate the subtraction of each data point with the mean. So, 11 minus 15, 4. Here we are doing modulus operation. 4 plus 15 minus 15, 0. 18 minus 15, 3. 17 minus 15, 2. 12 minus 15, 3. 17 minus 15, 2. Divided by 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, sorry, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 divided by 2, approximately 2.33. This is the value we are getting. Now, what we can understand, on an average, each data point is 2 distance from the mean. Each data point is a distance of 2 from the mean. Suppose if it is far away, then we can say that that is an outlier and the data is inconsistent. Got it? So, based on the mean absolute deviation, we will identify how spread out or dispersed the data in the given data set. Clear? This is the concept. Thank you.